Right now I am at Betong Hot Spring na kung saan po ito yan makikita sa southernmost part ng Thailand. Okay. Pwede ka magluto ito ng itlog. Free entrance po siya. At saka maganda pa ang pagkalagay ng ano nila. So dyan sa likod po, yan po ang pool. Yan. Hot spring yan siya, pero ano yan siya, combination yan siya ng cold at saka ng hot. Okay, yan. At saka dito naman po, yan naman po, yan po yung hot. Pwede ka magluto ng itlog dyan, yun o, dun sila, may mga tao dun, no? Yan, nagluto sila ng itlog dun. Yan. Nagluto sila ng itlog. Free entrance po ito, free entrance. Wala po itong bayad. May mga tao dyan to. Yan. Okay. Betong Hot Spring is located in Betong, Yala, the southern province of Thailand. It is a natural hot water that springs up from the soil surface. There are bath and foot bath by bringing the foot spring water from the original well and mixing it with normal temperature water until there is a level of heat that the body can soak in. It is believed that bathing in the hot spring water can relieve aches and pains and treat skin diseases. In addition to the bath and foot bath, there is also a well for boiling eggs in 7 minutes. There are shops in the hot spring area, restrooms, and accommodations. Take note, it is free admission. This natural wonder has become a beloved destination for both locals and tourists seeking relaxation and rejuvenation. Betong is a small town located in the southern Yala province. It is known for its rich cultural heritage and stunning nature landscapes. The hot spring itself is famed for its mineral-rich waters, which are heated naturally by the geothermal activity beneath the Earth's surface. Betong Hot Spring is more than just a natural attraction. It is a place of healing, relaxation, and connection with nature. Whether you're looking to unwind after a long journey or simply enjoy the beauty of the surroundings, Betong Hot Spring provides an unforgettable experience that captures the essence of Thailand's natural beauty and cultural richness. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Betong Hot Spring, situated in Betong, Yala, the southern province of Thailand. Thank you!